Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN D2 Bravo Titanium and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. Before we start, if you want to uninstall applications from your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now you can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with your watch. In the app, tap on More, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices. Now, as you can see on the list, we have the Bravo Titanium. Let's tap on it to select it. On this page, tap on Activities and Apps. And here we have Activities and Apps. Tap on it. And right here we have the list of applications installed on our watch. To remove the app, find the app you want to remove, tap on it, and then tap on Uninstall button and tap on Yes. The app will be removed. You can go back to the main page of the device page basically for your watch, tap on Sync Now and wait until the watch is done syncing with your phone. And after it's done, the app should be removed from your watch basically. So let's wait. As you can see, it's done, so we can press the Start button to open the Activities and Apps. And as you can see, the app we uninstalled is gone from this menu. It was right here above the Pomodoro, but it's gone. So that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.